What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. Life's been a little hectic, but you know, we're trying to make the best of it. We're here, as you saw. We just washed the car. Yeah, another drift video, but that's okay. It's fun for me. Hopefully, it's fun for you guys. Just giving a quick recap. I'm swapping some tires. Today is kind of like a fun, interesting video. There's an event coming up in January, end of January, called Southwest Speed Fest. I got accepted to drive it again this year, which is awesome. So this one has like some actual big sponsors behind it. It is a time attack event, but also drifting is like expeditionary. You know, it's like it's entertaining, keep the crowd entertained, stuff like that. Road racing is fun to do, boring to watch. Drifting is fun all around. So your boy gets to go out there, make some money on some ride-alongs, and just get some exposure. And part of that exposure is building driver profiles and portfolios through the organizers with Ravi at Wheel and Lift Racing. So, long story short, it's a media day type thing today. So, not a lot of people have their car ready. Kind of iffy on, you know, cutting it close type thing. It's not for 2 months, but they're doing media stuff now. My car, as far as I know, other than this wheel I just found out I bent at Spooky Drift, is ready to go. So, we're gonna go do some media stuff today, get some laps in, and it's fun because it's at Podium Club, and if you're not local to Arizona, that's kind of like the really rich guy track where it's like $100,000+ a year for a membership, and this is only the second time they've ever allowed drifting on it, so very exciting. But yeah, sad news, got a wee bit of a bend on there, a little bit right there too, but this one, yeah, that one's a little bit bad. If you guys didn't watch the Spooky video, Spooky Drift was awesome. But there is a lot of curbs there. We did a lot of chasing, and with that came some curb hopping from going over rumble strips, and not the most subtle, I can obviously say. So we're gonna see if we can't get this thing hatched up and get on the road, because we got to get out there in about 2-ish hours. So let's have some fun. Yeah, might need a little massage.
Oh, it got bent.
We curb hopped it. Kind of good.
Fuck.
This one isn't leaking. I think that's from last time. I think it's just right here.
Yeah, let's see if it's...
Unless it's just a tire. I mean, unless there's another spot on the tire. Oh yeah, it is.
Actually, is there air in it right now? Or is... Oh yeah, it is aired up. Yeah. So it's
I topped it off before we left, because it was at like 8 psi this morning, so it's a slow leak.
It is, yeah.
So.
Huh. It's just like, it's probably just barely pushing it out, and then like,
well, maybe with the weight
when the tire is in one position, like if it's like the weight of the tires on this spot, then maybe.
Yeah, like.
It might be position dependent too.
Yeah,
like
not that set you were just fighting with.
Yeah, so
yeah, might just have to heat it up and hit it with the hammer,
or we could put it on the machine and like just push it back
if you want to.
Yeah. Yeah, we should do that.
Obviously, we got to plug the wheel sauce, because he's always taking care of us on our wheel needs. So obviously these are brand new tires on ugly wheels. So we're just swapping the tires on the wheels that are gonna match my steer wheels. Because again, being a media marketing thing, I think the car already looks pretty rough being a drift car without the rear bumper and all that. So we just wanted to kind of look a little bit more presentable and at least have matching wheels on it. Okay, we're out here. Short drive, it's like an hour from my shop, so it's not bad. I do have to swap rear wheels really quick, like I mentioned, have them matching ideally. So I'm gonna do that really fast and kind of just find out what we're supposed to be doing here in the first place. I guess let's go find anybody else. I see a couple people I'm familiar with. I really only know David, the other E36. The other cars I recognize, because there's only like 4 or 5 of us out here, but I don't know. I guess we can find Robbie and see what he wants to actually do.
Well, the video will happen over here, okay? I think we're going to probably send the drifters out first on the video side, because they need to warm up anyways. And have all of you been on this? Drifter Boys? Have you guys all been on this one?
Yeah, last year I was.
Yeah, you guys definitely were.
Austin tested on it, yeah, you tested on it.
Beagle's on here, and okay.
And Mike did, yeah, Mike drove, I think, last year.
Where's Mike? I lost the guy there.
All right, still not fully understanding what we're doing, but I guess we're going out earlier than anticipated. So, oh my God, I just threw my GoPro. That's not good. All right, we're fine. Goodness gracious, Butterfingers kind of day. But yeah, we're going out right now. We're just gonna do some skids. I guess action shots is what it sounds like, was the drone and a couple long lenses, and then we're gonna go do some roller shots in the back far corner of the track while some of the road racers get some action shots. I don't know. I will throw the GoPro up if I don't throw it and break it on the way over to the car. And I don't know, let's go have some fun, I guess.
shit like.
God, that was hard as
That
fuck.
was sick.
That was so fun, but it was so hard. Like I was like
Oh,
pushing the brakes, like trying not to hit the fucking van. Like,
Way too slow.
yeah. The van was going like 10 miles per hour. We're all like,
Clutch kick.
yeah.
Yeah, they should have gave us third gear.
They should have done something like a little bit faster, man.
Yeah, that was freaking.
All I could do is just be like, all right, here's the turn. God,
Yeah, that was-
yeah, dude. I could smell my brakes and clutch like
Just
fucking
cooking?
cooking.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Yeah, that was
Funny. I bet those
insanely
shots are
fun.
sick though.
I hope so. I
They
mean,
better be.
with the sunset
They owe
right
me a
there.
fucking clutch or
I got probably 3 laps on my tires left, and then they're.
I'm done.
Yeah.
Those follows are sick, dude.
Thank you,
I liked
dude.
it. I was getting like my tires were getting sketchy, and I'm like, fuck, dude.
Yeah, I was just trying to get inch my way closer on the entry because I know that's where I lag behind.
Yeah, no, that's where it starts it, dude. Like,
Yeah.
you have to be.
It was super fun.
Yeah,
Those
that
first
one
couple
where
were-
so I had to go like third and drop in a second.
Oh, really?
And then like on the last part, I was like trying to upshift because like I was running on a second. And
Yeah.
I'm like trying to upshift to third, and I see you on the side of me. I'm like, oh fuck.
Oh, we're opposite. So I'm entering fourth. When we
Yeah,
enter the
yeah.
slalom, I'm going into third, hanging third.
You were
left.
in fourth like at that speed.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, enter fourth, going to third, and then when I catch
So
you
if
kind
you were
of
at
in
third following me, you'd be revved out.
Yeah, so
Okay.
I'm basically banging limiter through the second half of the slalom, and then I kick it back into fourth as we're
Yeah, so
exiting.
you're one gear up on me.
Yeah,
That's
that's
crazy.
fun.
That was fun though. That was sick.
Yeah, that was incredibly fun with the media session. Hopefully the camera on the GoPro on the roof kind of lets you kind of see what we were doing. I only have 2 or 3 laps left on these tires. I don't feel like burning up my last set of new ones, so I'm just gonna go ahead, take her out for probably 2 laps, and yeah, we're just gonna have to wrap it up for the night. Maybe hang out. They are feeding us dinner, so that's really cool. Very excited for food, but let's go do 2 more laps. Okay, we were lied to. They shut it down as soon as we tried pulling onto the track. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna hang out, hopefully get some food, and I'm gonna load the car really quick, so we'll show you guys if anything else happens next. All right, well, that was a lot of fun. Little dip there. Yeah, we're calling it. It's obviously very dark out here. We're in the middle of the desert. But yeah, no, the food was good. We just had some pizza, chatted about drifting and about the event coming up, and sounds like some of the media people are stoked on what we got. I don't know when we'll see it, but I'm looking forward to it because it's gonna be fun. So, shorter video other than just the driving. I'll probably just, you know, I don't have much else to do. So I'm just gonna wrap it up here. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you want to stick around, hit that subscribe button. And if you're local and you would like some fab work done, be sure to hit me up at Velocity Race Fab on Instagram, Facebook, or velocityracefab@yahoo.com. Check out the website. We got a couple of shirts and stuff, and trying to get some more out. But anyways, yeah, whatever. Do what you love, forget about the rest. I'm gonna go home, go to sleep, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.